Alienware 27240Hz. QD OLED Gaming Monitor Review. Worth the upgrade? Looking for a fast OLED gaming monitor with excellent colors and smooth gameplay? The Alienware AW2726DM combines QHD resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and QD OLED technology. But is it really worth upgrading? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The AW2726DM features a 26.5-inch QD OLED panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a 2400 Hz refresh rate. It also has a 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, making it a strong choice for fast-paced and competitive gaming. The biggest highlight is the QD OLED panel. You get deep blacks, excellent contrast, and vibrant colors with 99% DCI-P3 color coverage. AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA Adaptive Sync also help deliver smoother gameplay with less screen tearing. For connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports and one DisplayPort 1.4. DisplayPort supports the full 1440p at 240 Hz, while HDMI supports up to 1440p at 120 Hz. The stand is another practical feature, offering height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments so you can easily find a comfortable viewing position. However, there are a few compromises. The monitor's typical brightness is rated at 200 nits, with up to 400 nits in its specified HDR peak condition, so it isn't the ideal choice for extremely bright rooms. And because it's a QD OLED panel, text clarity may not be as sharp as some traditional LCD monitors for heavy productivity work. There's also no built-in USB hub, so connectivity is fairly focused on the essentials. Overall, if you're upgrading from a standard LCD and want excellent contrast, vibrant colors, extremely fast response, and 240 Hz gaming, the AW2726DM is a strong option. But if you already own a good OLED monitor, the upgrade may not be necessary unless you specifically want this combination of QHD, resolution, and 240 Hz performance. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find a product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.